From the first time you step onto the Norwegian Epic, you'll experience a level of entertainment you never dreamed possible. If you think you've seen it all, think again. We can show you fascinating options from the Blue Man Group to some of the world's greatest celebrity impersonators. Take your onboard dining experience to new levels with over 20 different dining options that serve up entrees for all kinds of appetites. We can help you plan your entire dining experience before you ever set sail, and even show you some specialty restaurants that are available as well. Our job as experts on the Norwegian Epic is to create memories that will last a lifetime at the perfect price for you. We'll help you choose the perfect room and select the itinerary that's best for you. Your time is much too valuable to spend hours online looking for deals and comparing all the options. We'll make sure your vacation is truly hassle-free. Check out our website, give us a call, and let us start planning an amazing getaway for you aboard the brand new Norwegian Epic.